days growing up at home. Some of the best times that I've ever known. Playing with sticks and skipping stones. What could be better? And I remember those summer nights, sleeping out underneath the stars so bright. I wish I may, I wish I might stay here forever. And then I pack a lunch and grab a pole, and we head on down to the fishing hole. Without a care and filled with wonder, it was a dog days of summer. Hanging out with all my friends, hoping that the sunny days would never end. What is this magic spell we're under? It was a dog days of summer. Long tall glass of lemonade, sitting out back on the porch in the shade. I bet I could have sat there for days. What could be better? Blue skies and you and me, swinging from the tire on the sycamore tree. No other place I would rather be, but it can't last forever. And then I pack a lunch and grab a pole, and we head on down to the fishing hole. Without a care and filled with wonder, it was a dog days of summer. Hanging out with all my friends, hoping that the sunny days would never end. What is this magic spell we're under? It was a dog days of summer. Always have these memories, but I'm just so happy spending days like these with good friends and family. What could be better? And so I'll pack a lunch and grab a pole,